Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore portfolio tracking in CoinTracking using API import step by step clearly. First, log in to your CoinTracking account. Navigate to the portfolio section on the main dashboard. Locate the import option within the menu. Select API from the import options listed. Choose the exchange you want to import data from. Obtain your API key from your exchange account. In the exchange settings, ensure you have enabled API access. Copy your API key. Return to CoinTracking. Paste your API key into the designated field. If required, add your API secret for additional security. Review any additional settings or permissions listed for your exchange. Click on Save or Connect to link your exchange with CoinTracking. Once the connection is established, return to the portfolio section. Click on the Import button again. Select the option to import data from the API. Wait for the data to load from the exchange. Check for any notifications regarding the import process. Review the imported transactions for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments or corrections to your portfolio. Your portfolio tracking should now be successfully restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.